to take a break from the kitchen today because I have to run some errands. One of which I need to go in Sam's and pick up some baking stuff. Like I need some sugar and butter and eggs. Probably some cream cheese. Let y'all straight out the wild. It's better. So I had to run out and do that in addition to some other things. So yes, we are on a field trip today. We've not been to Sam's in a minute. And y'all, I might need to, let me see. I might need to pick up my dude number one, my husband, some more chocolate covered almonds and M&Ms. Because I did get him some months ago, probably the last time we were in Sam's and I showed y'all. I think that was the last time. So, you know, I've just kind of nibbled on them here and there, here and there, here and there. And, you know, yeah. All of the almonds are gone. And the M&Ms are not far behind. And every time he grabs that M&M, being little bucket, he says, "You've been in my M&Ms. You've eaten all my M&Ms." So it's not on my list, but if I think about it while I'm in there, if I don't forget, I will pick him up some more M&Ms and chocolate covered almonds. So you all know the drill. Y'all know, be on your best behavior in Sam's. Don't get in here showing out, okay? Don't do it because it's not nearly as hot. It's beautiful. We are in beautiful fall weather now, so it's not hot out here. I will send your behind back out to this truck if you get in here showing out, okay? And you just gonna have to sit out here until I get done. So don't go in here showing out. Look with your eyes and not with your hands. Unless you brought some of your allowance money. Y'all still look crooked. Unless you brought some of your allowance money, you don't have any money to spend on anything, so you don't need to be touching anything. Okay? Keep your hands to yourself. Don't go in here asking for everything. Can I have this? Can I have that? Give me this. Give me that. I want this. I want. Don't go in there getting on my nerves. Okay? I have my list. I know what I need to get. I'm going to get in and I'm going to get out. I didn't come in here to tarry, okay? We won't be in here long. Not long at all. So, be on your best behavior. I don't know what they blowing for. Be on your best behavior. So, you won't get embarrassed in Sam's Club. All right? Y'all, and I have this camera. You know how they had the cameras, but honey, I'm so old school. Oftentimes I forget I had a camera. I don't trust it. I don't trust the camera, y'all. the most part, honey. I say, because that camera might decide it wants to tell a lie. And then before you know it, I be done crashed into something because I'm listening to that camera. That backup, beep, 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 that's lying. Be all on top of somebody's hood. Okay. All righty then. We gonna get in here, y'all. We getting in and we gonna get out. I'm telling you, I ain't gonna be here long now here. Look at my list. Do you guys keep notes in your phone? I have so many notes of different categories, y'all. I mean, different categories. It's like going on and on and on and on and on and on of all these notes. That's, y'all, that's what I have to do to try to stay organized. Oh my goodness, let me get my mind right. Wait a minute, let me see. Did I bring my Sam's card? I just wanted to spend a little time with you guys today outside the kitchen. Okay. Yes, I have it. Let me put it in the front so they can see it. And we can get in here. And they're probably going to be playing some music. So, I'm not going to be able to talk to y'all. We'll see. But they're probably going to be playing music. So, we're going to just go ahead and grab what we need. And get on out of here, y'all. Sounds like they're doing some kind of presentation over here. The music getting loud, but whomever is doing this presentation is. So let me just give you guys some music so I can pick up what I need. Are good. You say they're plant-based?
So you just roll it down there, put your little pipe, and they stay crispy. They don't get stale.
They don't get
Pick it
stale.
up from down here. Yeah, it's just a good little healthy snack, and 11 of them is only 1.5 grams of sugar.
11 of them are
11.
1.5 grams of sugar. That's
Yeah.
all.
Yeah. So 22.
140 calories for 22 puffs.
Yeah. So if you cut it in half, that's like your 70 calories with 1.5 grams of sugar and
Right.
11. So I'll count out 11. I do.
And total
Sometimes I'll go back and
sugars
get
are
one
only
too.
3 grams. That's good. They
I
do
know.
taste
It's
good
a good little
too.
snack, and it's not fried, and it's not like it's bad for you, and got all kind of chemicals in it.
And I love cinnamon. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
I will. Thank you so much. Y'all, these are good. Good, good, good. Okay, let me go see. Okay, I didn't forget. So since I didn't forget about his almonds and M&Ms, let me go see if they have some in so I can get him some more. Hey there, how are you?
That is one big omelet.
One big what? Omelet?
Omelet.
With all the eggs?
And the butter. And the cheese.
Don't forget about all the sugar.
Sugar. Don't forget about the sugar. Gotta have the sugar.
Gotta have the sugar. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Well, I got all my stuff. See if we can get a thumbnail. Wait for this car to go by. So I won't get getting people's cars out in the thumbnail. I hope y'all can see because it looks kind of dark. Anyway, anywho, that's done. Okay, well that's done. And you guys did good. Y'all didn't even get distracted with all the Halloween candy and decorations and stuff. Didn't get to asking for everything. Ooh-wee. Well, I hope you all enjoyed me getting out of the kitchen for just a little bit today. I have really been enjoying these cobblers. They're so quick and easy to do. And then they be so good. Ooh-wee, they be so good. I think I have a couple of more that I want to do. And then next week we're going to switch to something else. All right. Well, you guys, that's all she wrote for today. And until our next field trip, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and being good listeners. Nobody had to get sent back to the car, to the truck, so that's always a good thing. So I'm getting ready to head home and finish working. All right. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. And as my dude number one, aka my husband, would say, hit the nosy. Cause y'all know y'all nosy. Y'all know y'all want to know what we doing over here. So thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.